Hi everyone, blessed be. So I'm going to show you today how I'm going to make my little room spray. This bottle is a pack of 2 that I got off Amazon, so they're cheap enough to get hold of. I think it was a £5 for the 2. These ones are blue glass. You can get brown glass ones as well. I chose the blue because blue's quite calming, and I want to create like a calming room spray. Now for the main ingredient, I'm going to use some rose water, which I'm hoping I can pour without too much trouble into this little bottle, she says. Okay. It's one of those annoying bottles where it dribbles down the neck. Oh well, my desk's going to smell of rose water for a bit, that's fine. Right, that's not a problem. I can handle my desk smelling of rose water because it smells beautiful. Rose and lavender are like my 2 favourite scents. So let me just clean that up. If you wonder where I got this mat from, by the way, that's on my desk, this is just one of those extra large mouse mat things that you can get for office desks. Bought that online. So to my little bottle, I am going to add some other ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to add some good old rosemary. I like to add rosemary to lots of stuff, and this is quite a fragrant rosemary. This is rosemary from the supermarket, but you can grow your own and dry it out. But I chose to just buy this one from the supermarket, so I'm putting a bit of that in there. Make sure you put in herbs that you can get back out as well, because obviously the idea with this is once it's empty, I'm going to wash out the jar and I can use it for another purpose. Oops, knocked the spoon off. Then to that, I'm going to add a bit of rose petal. Obviously I don't want to do big pieces because I do want to be able to get this back out afterwards. That was more just for aesthetics really than anything. Then I'm going to add some little quartz crystals to the concoction if I can. Am I going to get that back out? One sec, let me get my smaller quartz chips. I have to have a dig in my big bowl of crystals of random sizes. I've got loads of little crystal chips and stuff at the bottom. It just means I have to have a bit of a dig. It's like a little lucky scoop thing. There you go, 4 little pieces. In fact, no, 3. Okay, so I've got 3 little pieces of quartz, and I'm just going to hold them in my hand and charge them up a little bit. And I'm going to add those to my bottle. When you're adding crystals to any like room sprays and stuff, make sure they're ones that aren't toxic in water and are okay to be in water. Clear quartz is fine, and what I like about clear quartz is you can use it for anything. So I'm going to put that in like so. And this is just a simple room spray. And then I'm just going to finish off my little incantation and things for this. And then I'm going to put my little spray top on. The spray top comes with the bottle. Make sure that's nice and tight. Give that a bit of a shake. And that is my little cleansing spray, and I've only made it up to about here. And the idea is I'll probably use this in a week, maybe 2. And if you want to keep it nice and fresh, keep it in the fridge, and spray it around whenever you feel like your room needs a little bit of a cleanse or a bit of an uplift. Maybe you've had a visitor and they've kind of brought the atmosphere down a bit. You can spray this around to sort of refresh your room. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you try it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessed be. Bye for now.